Tesla just issued a recall over the Model 3 and the Model Y headlights. It seems like the low lights of the headlights were exceeding the maximum brightness here. Now, of course, unlike other manufacturers, Tesla can just fix a recall by doing a software update, but this one doesn't seem to be the case here. Electric posted this quote, unlike many Tesla recalls, this one seems like it will require a physical fix rather than a software update. So very interesting to see this. Now, this is only 20,000 Model 3s and Model Ys over a certain time period of when this actually happened, or those vehicles that are affected, but still very interesting to see this. And now it kind of makes sense, because sometimes when I'm like going the opposite side, I mean, really all headlights are really bright these days because of the LEDs and everything, but it seems like maybe Tesla was pointing them, or maybe it was too bright at like a certain angle or which that. But very interesting to see this. And if you've got one affected, you'll probably get a letter and a different thing, so you can bring your Tesla vehicle in to get it fixed with that. But very interesting to see this, and let us know what your thoughts are. If you're looking to sell this particular Tesla, definitely check out Plug down below in the description. They are aggressively buying electric vehicles nationwide, and we've seen some of the offers. It could be $3,000, $4,000, $5,000, $6,000 over everybody else. So definitely check out Plug down below in the description. Now that you've bought your Tesla, or you're about to buy your Tesla, did you know that it comes with 0 accessories? Seriously, not even a phone mount. But don't worry, we've got you covered. In my opinion, there's a few must-haves that every Tesla owner should get, like a phone mount so your phone doesn't fly off during acceleration, a center console organizer because without it, you're going to lose a bunch of stuff, and my newest favorite, an invisible underscreen station mount from Jowa, a great place to store sunglasses. And all of these accessories, plus more, you can get from our partner Jowa. And you know these accessories are good because I actually use all of their stuff. And if you use our promo code down below in the description, you can save some money and support the channel as well. But Jowa doesn't stop at just the basics. They've got a wireless game controller that fits perfectly in the glove box, a portable air compressor for peace of mind on those long road trips, and even an electric scooter, because why walk from the superchargers or level 2 chargers? So not only will you save some money by using our promo code down below in the description, you can also get free shipping on orders over $120. So definitely check it out, link down below in the description. Thank you to Jowa for partnering with us on this channel, and let's get on to the next topic.